Welcome to Lead Well. In response to the automotive and medical industries, we provide the V-40iT. From FEA analysis, you'll see its highly rigid cast iron construction with a closed-type design, with stability from being supported by a big span saddle and foundation screws. Without a counter, weight enhances the accuracy of mold making as well as avoids vibration. With the configuration of roller guideways, that features zero clearance and fully loaded carrying capacity in all directions. With a large span saddle and foundation design, the machine offers enhanced stability. It also features a spiral chip conveyor for convenient chip removal. The vibration is minimized by the integrated design of the tool magazine. Its upper-lower ATC design is convenient for transportation needs. V-40iT could be equipped with a built-in spindle or direct drive spindle to enhance its efficiency. Its trunnion table can change the processing direction of the workpiece to reduce the loading and unloading time. The machining center has a 3-axis travel of 846 mm, 635 mm, and 488 mm, which enables high precision and dynamic operations. It also has a rotary table with A and C axes, which can tilt from plus 40 degrees to minus 120 degrees and rotate 360 degrees, respectively. This allows complex and multi-sided machining in one setup. Depending on the workpiece and processing condition of the end user, the trunnion table can be customized in 3 different types. The standard trunnion table has a maximum size of 400 mm, while the optional 3 pieces and square table have sizes of 560 by 365 mm and 600 by 400 mm, respectively. With a maximum table load that could reach 200 kg and hydraulic brake, it is powered by worm gear as standard, and its titling angle range is from plus 40 degrees to minus 120 degrees, which is useful for multiface-shaped parts machining. For our V-40iT, its 5 axes of simultaneous motion could make machining on varied angles and complex curved surfaces on parts, which saves machining time and eliminates multiple setups required to reposition the workpiece. It also saves the cost of fixtures to hold the workpiece. In addition, 5-axis machining also brings a better surface finish by using a flat bottom and mill to maintain perpendicularity to the complex surface and eliminates manual millwork and handwork required to clean up rough surfaces. Especially suitable for components with many curved surfaces and complex shapes in the automotive, medical, and aerospace industries. In order to ensure the machine's accuracy, we also optimize the parameter data and consequently enhance the machine's quality. We can also reduce the errors and waste that may occur during the production process. Therefore, our machine is not only accurate but also efficient and reliable. Also, the rotary axis center hole can optionally be equipped with hydraulic or pneumatic clamping distributor, which can be used with external automatic loading and unloading devices, and applied as a fully automated production line. In a word, the V-40iT is an excellent 5-axis machining center with a trunnion table which is completely designed for multi-angle cutting with complex curved surfaces. It overcomes some difficult positions of the workpiece that a 3-axis machine can't do, like an undercut, and avoids accumulative error from series machining procedure, decreasing the total cutting time that substantially achieves the request: high speed, high accuracy, and high efficiency. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to know more about us, do not hesitate to contact us directly or visit our website.